What are you doing?
Oh, me? I'm just sitting here polishing my balls. Got a couple of undrilled bowling balls here. Come here and look at these colors though in the sun. Come here, look. See how pretty that is? Hello, welcome to Treerow Range. Today we're shooting a couple of balls. I have a couple of undrilled bowling balls here. Got them from a friend, and we're going to see what it takes to crack one of these suckers open. And I've got to set up a table. Let's go find a table. We're going to be using a variety of calibers, starting with 22, which I don't think is going to do anything at all. And then going up from there and ending with a 12 gauge slug. I need a table. That looks like a good table. Ye old dishwasher. Is this gonna hold up my ball? Stay put. Nope. That'll do. All right. First up is my 22 little Ruger. Let's see how much damage this does not create. Well, I hit it. Just a little 22. I don't expect any real damage. I mean, it actually did a lot more than I thought it was going to do. That's interesting. This must be a plastic. I don't know what it's made out of. I'm surprised it did that much damage. Stepping it up, 380. All right, so next up is going to be my Diamondback Arms 380, full metal jacket. And I don't know how long this ball is going to last. Luckily, we got two of them. What? Yes, oh my goodness. You want a piece of bowling ball? That's all plastic. I don't know what it's made out of, but man, that took a huge chunk out of this sucker. That is insane. Okay. Alright, next up is my Taurus 357 loaded up with 38 special jacketed hollow points. Let's see what she does. What we got? I don't know where I hit it. Dang. I hit low and to the right. Okay. Let's try that again. Direct hit. That one actually started to split the ball. I hit that sucker right there. I don't know where any of the pieces went. Here's some of them. Yep. We're going to end up blowing this ball in half. All right. 357's up next out of the same revolver. Let's, good luck, Paul. This looks like I'm putting a pace on it. Let's see. We got white chunks everywhere. maybe right here. There's jacket inside there, so I would have to assume. Check it out. It's just wiping the lead off on it. I don't know what this is made out of, but it's pretty cool. Oh, look. Check this out. No way. Let me get my knife. Dude, we caught the bullet. There it is. It's warm. Look at that. That's pretty cool. We caught the round. Heck yeah. All right. This is getting tougher and tougher. I'm surprised. All right, next up is my Taurus Millennium 9mm and loaded up, full metal jacket. Let's see. I have not sighted this in. I don't know if I'm going to hit it. Let's see. I think I hit it. That's a lot of damage. We're getting bowling ball everywhere here on the range. Let's see, did we catch this round? Look, that had some penetrating power. That's pretty cool. Doesn't look like we caught the round though. So it's in the ether somewhere. All right, next up, God's caliber. All right, next up is my Remington 1911, chambered at 45 ACP, AKA God's caliber. Let's see how much damage this one does. Don't you run, Mr. Ball. How you living? Looks like I actually hit right here, so it's kind of at the top versus the core. So it's aiming a little high. I think I'm going to hit that one more time and try to get here in the center and see what happens. Aim a little lower, go for the center. I reckon I got it. Let's go see. Chipped everything. Look, it's almost smooth here in the center now. But yeah, we're losing. Oh, dude, what? That is warm. That is a full jacket right there. The whole bullet. Did I hit the bottom and it ricochet? Looks like it. Bye. Anyway, that's cool. I'm going to leave it at that. All right. Alright, next up is a rifle, chambered at 5.56, it's my SIG M400. We're going to take a couple steps back because these little tiny rounds carry a lot of energy. So, alrighty, safety off. I think I missed. I didn't miss. All right, let's go see what we got. What we got? It's getting really hard to tell. Tell you what, let's do this. I don't know where I shot. Let's turn it around and shoot it again and see how much damage it causes. All right, fresh face. Let's see what happens. I aimed low and right. I think I'm shooting under it. Okay, let's do that again. Not really doing a lot. So we're punching it. It's moving so fast, it's just punching through it. I don't see that it's going all the way through, but look, it's cracking the whole thing, which tells me that that round is still in there somewhere, or at least some of it. That's wild. That was anticlimactic. All right, let's hit it with a slug. Oh, check it out. That's jacket. That had to have gone all the way through then. Oh, look, it did. Right there. Punched all the way through. Interesting. All right, let's make it explode. Next up is my Remington 12 gauge hunting rifle, hunting shotgun. Real long barrel, so that means it's really accurate. And we're kind of further back, because I suspect this is going to explode. And I missed! Didn't stand a chance. Let's go see what we did. Well, it kind of looks like we no longer have a bowling ball. So if you was wondering, that's what the inside of a bowling ball looks like. That's crazy. That'd be super cool if the slug was still hanging around here. But yeah, that's definitely carrying a lot of energy. And it takes a slug or a 50 cal to blow apart a bowling ball. That's cool. I mean, if I had like 300 Win Mag or something like that, 308, that'd probably do the same thing. And that's going to do it for this episode of Treerow Range. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the things. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll see you next time, where you never know what we're going to shoot next.